Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Substack Notes. Let's get started. First go to substack.com, then click sign in up here. Enter in your email in this field, then click continue. Substack will send a 6-digit code to your email that you need to enter here to continue. After you've entered in the code, you will be led to this page. On the upper right corner, click on your account icon, then click Home right here. In your home page, we have this prompt asking you, what's on your mind? In here, you can type in any thought or idea that you want to share with your community. Once you're done, just click on Post right here. Next, scrolling down on your field allows you to read through and interact with posts of other users from Substack. You can choose to heart their posts. You can leave a comment like that. You can also choose to restack their post, which is a feature similar to retweeting a post on X or Twitter. You can choose to just restack or to restack with a note. And then you can also share their posts with the methods available, like copying a link, sending it as a message, or sharing it to Facebook or X. You can also choose to subscribe to the post, and for more actions, click on this 3-dot icon, which will give you a lot more options, such as following the user who made the post. And that is how you can use Substack Notes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.